Hello everyone, and welcome to the video today. This is going to be a pretty short video, but I wanted to share with you this new app that I found that is a really good way to earn, well, you earn rewards, but it's just by shopping for groceries, just like you normally would. So it's called Fetch Rewards, and how it works is you go grocery shopping, and when you buy certain brands, they're going to give you points for that. So all you do is you scan in your receipt from your grocery trip. You're going to earn the points, and then you get get rewards, and you can cash those in. So I'm going to go through the different brands and the different rewards that you can get. So, like I said, you just scan your receipt, and I believe it can only be 30 days. It can't be older than 30 days old, your receipt. So you can't just have like a pile of receipts somewhere and just start scanning them in. You know, they do have to be, the purchases have to have been made within a certain amount of time. So let's look at the brands that they're going to give you points for. So you've got different categories, but these are the brands that they're going to give you different points for. So these are pretty standard. This is available at all the stores that I go to. So as you can see, there's plenty of brands in here that you most probably are already buying, and all you have to do is scan in your receipt and get rewards. So let me talk about the rewards really quick. Okay, before I move on, each one of these brands is going to give you a different amount of points. It might be 150 points, or it might be 250 points. It just depends, and I believe once you download the app to your phone, it's going to show you what kind of points you're going to get. I think it changes on a daily basis, so that's why they're not showing it to you here on this website. But these are the brands that they work with. Okay, so the rewards, once you earn enough points, you can basically redeem them for different rewards. They've got a ton of rewards, so whatever you're into, it's probably on here. And I'm going to show you, so here's your gift cards: Best Buy, GameStop, you have Redbox, StubHub, all kinds of things, and then of course your retail stores. Okay, and what's really cool about this is you actually have a Visa or a MasterCard option. Okay, so you can actually redeem these for quote-unquote cash instead of just gift cards. And also I'm going to show you as well, because I like to use this under retail. They have the Amazon.com cash that you can get, so you use that at Amazon. But it's kind of like the same as cash. I like to use that a lot. I'll probably also use it for gift cards, but I like to redeem my stuff for either Amazon.com or for the Visa option, the MasterCard Visa. So that's basically like cash. This one I believe you can use in-store or online. So it's just like having a prepaid cash card. So that's it for Fetch Rewards. So super simple for brands that you're already probably buying. If you, I'm going to give you a code, and if you sign up and then put that code in, you're going to get 2,000 bonus points whenever you upload or scan in your first receipt. You're going to get 2,000 on top of that. So even if you don't buy but one brand, then you're going to get 2,000 on top of that. So I'll give you that code in the description below, and you can check it out for yourself. Once again, this is an app for your phone, so it works for Androids and for iPhones. And personally, I think it's a great way to just earn extra money for things you're already doing. It doesn't take a lot of your time. Just scan in the receipt and see how many points you get. Okay, this is it for today's video. I hope you found it useful. If so, feel free to hit the like button, and also subscribe if you're not already a subscriber.